Emma.
Emma. Oh, she's so beautiful, baby. My phone is gonna die though, so I'm gonna call you.
Emma. I see you trying to open your eyes. Yes.
Oh.
Oh.
I'll leave here in just a little bit and I'll head home. I'm not gonna have to.
Emma.
I called RJ. RJ's gonna open for me.
Emma, you sticking your tongue out? Yeah.
That way I can come home and get some sleep.
Emma.
And then I'll just come back over here.
It's so funny, he opens his eyes a little bit and then closes them.
Alright.
No, we just ripped you out of your secret spot there. Now you're sad.
She went from freaking 3 centimeters to 10 centimeters in like 20 minutes. It was ridiculous. She was sitting at the girl and all of a sudden they were like